You know the weird thing about confidence? Everyone wants it, but no one really knows what it actually is. Some people think it's about being loud. Some think it's walking into a room like you own it. Others think it's just pretending you're okay. Until magically, one day you are. Spoiler alert, none of that works. Here's the truth, and you're probably not going to like it. Real confidence doesn't feel like confidence. It feels like not caring if you fail. Let me explain. Confidence is not about convincing yourself you're the best person in the room. It's about being totally okay, even if you're not. It's not loud, it's not flashy, it's quiet, it's calm. It's walking into a room and not needing anyone to notice you. You don't need hype, you need evidence. And that's where most people mess it up. We're told, fake it till you make it. But what does that even mean? Pretend you're confident until the universe hands you some? That's like faking strength by flexing in the mirror and expecting your muscles to grow. Confidence is built like a skill, like a callus, like muscle memory. It starts with keeping small promises to yourself, waking up when you said you would, saying no when you don't mean yes, speaking up when it matters, even if your voice shakes. These moments feel tiny, insignificant, but they stack. Each one is a brick, and eventually, you've built something solid, not because you pretended, but because you proved to yourself, I do what I say I'll do. Now, here's the part no one tells you. Confidence has almost nothing to do with how other people see you. It's built entirely in the moments when no one's watching, when you choose to study instead of scroll, when you go to the gym even though you don't feel like it, when you set a goal and actually follow through. That's where the real stuff is. Not in fake smiles, not in motivational quotes, not even in pep talks. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you did something you didn't think you could do, and then you did it anyway? That moment, that's where confidence lives. Not in the achievement, but in the process. In the part where it felt uncomfortable, awkward, uncertain, and you still did it. Here's another unpopular truth. You will not feel confident before you do the thing. You earn it after. Confidence is a receipt, a side effect of action. You can't think your way into it. You have to act your way into it. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so what should I do? All right, I'll give you 3 steps. Not hacks, not gimmicks, just real things that actually work. Step 1, do hard things on purpose. This could be anything. Cold showers, speaking up in a group, putting your phone away for an entire day. Not because they make you better, but because they teach you you're capable of doing hard stuff. And once your brain learns that, the game changes. Step 2, keep tiny promises to yourself. Don't start with, I'll change my life tomorrow. Start with, I'll make my bed every morning this week. Or I'll go for a 10-minute walk. Start with whatever is small and doable. Because if you can't trust yourself with small things, why would you trust yourself with big ones? Step 3, get comfortable, looking stupid. Confidence isn't about avoiding embarrassment. It's about being okay with it, laughing at yourself, messing up publicly, failing forward. Real confidence is built when you do something bad, cringe at it later, and still show up the next day. So no, you don't need to fake confidence. You need to build it slowly, quietly, repeatedly. Not for the world, not to impress strangers, but so that when you're alone, you actually like who you are. And that's the part nobody claps for, but that's where it starts. So, next time you hear someone say, just fake it till you make it, just smile, because you'll know the truth. You don't need to fake anything, you're just getting started.